My dear brothers and sisters in freedom, I speak to you today from an undisclosed location inside Venezuela, where I have lived in hiding for more than 15 months. I cannot move freely, I cannot see my family, and I live every day knowing that those who defend truth in my country are hunted. I am not afraid, and neither are you. Wherever you are, in a prison cell, in exile, in the streets, I want you to know that I feel you. I feel your courage, your pain, and your determination. Our stories are different, but our struggle is the same. Whether you are in Iran, in Belarus, in Nicaragua, or here in Venezuela, we are all part of one front. Dictatorships may speak different languages, but they share the same weapons: fear, lies, and they attempt to make us feel alone. But look at us now, connected across 60 countries, defending the darkness together. To every woman listening to me, you are the beating heart of this fight. I have seen women in Venezuela risk everything to defend their children, to feed their neighbors, to vote, to tell the truth. I have seen the same in Iran, in Cuba, in Sudan, in Afghanistan. They confuse our compassion for weakness, but don't realize it is our love, our persistence, and our faith that makes us indestructible. Our enemies cooperate, they share their money, their guns, their propaganda. So we must also cooperate. We must share our courage, our knowledge, and our devotion to freedom. They build prisons, we build hope. They spread fear, we spread truth. And in the end, truth always wins. From where I am, I want to tell you this: freedom is not something we wait for. It's something we become every time we refuse to give in. So do not lose heart. Do not give up. Our time has not passed. Our time is now more than ever. We are the living proof that dictatorships can oppress, but they cannot conquer the human spirit. And together, women and men from every nation under tyranny, we will bring them down. With all my heart from Venezuela, I stand with you until the day we are all free.